think it's easy. You think I don't wanna run to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go inside, you're gonna wake up and see that